Kahit saan, kahit kailan, kahit anong bagyo pa man ang dumaan, ikaw pa rin pupuntahan.
Langga, from the time I met you, I have no idea that one day the story would turn into something so beautiful. And our 5 years as a couple, I feel truly blessed because you are kind and loving partner, not only to me but also my family. Daw kasan ulang gachatay lang ta about sa atong business para makasurvive ko sa akong college life. Pero subong ari na ta sa atubangan sa ang altar kag sa aton parents.
Ng libo-libong buwan, ang kulay ng kalangitan, pangako ko hindi kita iiwan. Pangako yan, at kahit madalas
I will be your wife not only after this ceremony, but for the rest of my life. I commit my life to you, all my days and all my tomorrows. I will always be thankful to God for this day because this is the beginning of our new chapter with you. I love you, Langga.
Time keeps moving forward like a
From the moment I first saw you during our college days, I never imagined that a simple moment, seeing your wallet and realizing you were a friend to my friend, would lead me to the love of my life.
My whole world, it comes alive when I see you smile. I keep holding close these days with you.
I promise to love you not just in the happiest times, but even in the hardest days. I vow to be your partner, your best friend, and your safe place. I will support your dreams, respect your choices, and walk beside you through everything life brings.
We're making memories for a lifetime when we're together. This is the heart of life.
Langga, you are my happiness, my strength, and my home. With you, I found a love that feels right, peaceful, and true. I promise to keep choosing you every single day for the rest of my life. I love you, Langga, now and forever.
Akala ko noon na imposible to. Ang dating pangarap ko
nasarap na ngayon. Ilang beses humindi, buti di ka umalis. Tadhana na ang nagdulot sa atin. Di ba't sinabi sa'yo, ipaglalaban ko. Ako di magbabago yun. At pag ika'y nawawala, tingin ka lang sa aking mata. Pagmamahal sa'yo, di mauubos yun.
sabay nating tataanan ang lahat.
Hanggat sa dulo ng ating pagmamahal, hanggat sa kunin tayo